GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, all these stocks, the return, the crashes, everything that went on today is historic in every shape, form, and fashion. The stock market literally did a thing again. Wild. So of course we gotta talk about what happened, what's going on, what's transpired, what are my thoughts. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, the stock market most definitely did its thing today. Today was no ordinary day. Lawsuits happened, crashes happened, recovery happened. It was wild, ridiculous, insane. Was I part of it? A little bit. But we're going to talk about pretty much what happened today in the stock market. As you guys know, Robinhood, pretty much, not just Robinhood, I want to exclude them like that. Robinhood and many other brokerages put a halt on several stocks. GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry. It was crazy. It put a halt to it, but why did they put a halt to it? That's the question everybody's wondering. What transpired to lead to this? Pretty much all the Facebook groups. Facebook groups, Wall Street Bet, just pretty much people spreading the word about investing happened. Now, it's a good thing and it's a bad thing. It's a good thing because there are now people learning about investing. The word is spreading. The news is getting to ears. It's the way you can make money. The stock market is a beautiful thing, and everybody should, everybody should learn how to do it. At least dabble. You know what I'm saying? But today, as you can see, pretty much like the past month, you can truly see that people are just really hearing about the stock market and the potential. Just the potential. Now everybody wants to be in it. It's been growing steadily, but now it's just like catastrophically here. People really know how to invest. People are trying to invest. People want to make money because at the end of the day, we're still in a pandemic and the vaccines ain't rolling the way they thought they were. So it's crazy. It really is. It's straight bonkers, but that's life. But what today boils down to is this. Pretty much when you place a trade on Robinhood, that trade gets executed. Now back in the day, you used to have to go to an actual trading place and they used to hand out paper stocks. You used to bid for those things. Now, you can just push it. It's at the tip of your finger. Pretty much at the tip of your finger. But how does that actually work? What people don't understand is when you place a trade through Robinhood or any of these other brokerages, pretty much there's a person, the middleman. That middleman pretty much gives you your asset, but the asset is not fully there yet. It's starting to. It's the start of the process, but it's not fully there. But there's a middleman who has insane amount of money, enough to pretty much cover all daily trades pretty much. I'm not saying for every broker, but it's some people out there who literally had enough money to handle all the trades. And today, so many trades were placed that he was not even able to hold and just place all those trades that he almost went bankrupt. It was insane. And due to that, they had to put limited restrictions on all these stocks in general because so many people were piling into these stocks to make the money because the money was there. It wasn't going to stop. But one thing led to another. And pretty much a lot of the brokers had to halt it, slow it down until they can figure out what they're going to do. Now, it's tough because, as you all know, they already announced today that tomorrow you will be able to trade these stocks, but they're still going to somewhat restrict it. It's going to be as a need-buy basis to see how things go, to see how many people pour in. Now, what's my hypothesis? People finna pour in. So more than likely, those stocks are most likely gonna do a significant jump again. Crazy, but that's it. Now, what makes this incident so crazy and bizarre. Like I said, so many people piling into these amount of stock, it just overwhelmed the hedge funder. Now, my whole thing about this, it's great because people are learning to invest, but I don't know if you guys remember, but back in 2020, it was a guy on TikTok who released a video, and he picked it was a cryptocurrency, but it's called Dogecoin. Now, his ideal in theory and math was, if everybody invests into Dogecoin, now Dogecoin cryptocurrency, it's not even a penny yet. It's tenths of some pennies. But his ideology was, everybody wanted stimulus, everybody needed help during the core of the pandemic. If everybody invests $100 into Dogecoin, we can pretty much rally their stock the same way people are doing with GameStop, with AMC, and we can produce our own stimulus check. Now, it caught wind to some, but not all. Now, Wall Street Bets is, of course, the people who did the thing and spreaded the word way better than the guy on TikTok did, but they did it with GameStop. So this is why GameStop blew up. But pretty much the theory behind it is, if everybody dug into Dogecoin, which is a cryptocurrency, you can pretty much do the same thing. That's the crevices are pretty much what happened today. But I just really want to make known that Wall Street Bets wasn't the first one to come up with this idea. I don't know who the guy on the TikTok is. I might plaster it on this page right here whenever I find it. But he literally had the exact same idea. It didn't catch wind then, but Wall Street Bets made sure GameStop did today, for the past month. But what's funny is the old crevices of this. Today, after the incident when they limit the trades and people were just, you can only sell, you can't buy, everybody started to remember about Dogecoin. Everybody. And since then, Dogecoin has been on a tear. When I say a tear. If you don't know what Dogecoin is, look it up. It's on Robinhood. I'm pretty sure it's on other brokerages too. Well, other crypto brokerages, not like actual brokerages, unless they do crypto, but I don't think so. But Robinhood, I know for sure. It's DOGE. It's the ticker symbol. Look it up. Earlier today, I think it was around 0.0032 cent. It's trading at currently, when I did this video, 0.064. That thing is jumping. I myself have invested into it. I've had Dogecoin for a while. Even back then, I had Dogecoin. I think I put like $50 or $100 in, and somewhere along the way I took it out, and then somewhere along the way I put it back. And then I'm not gonna lie here, I found that Elon Musk is a fanboy of Dogecoin, and I think the potential of Dogecoin itself is amazing. So I've been dumping like $10, $15, $5 in there since November. So I got a decent amount, and now that it's like skyrocketing, I'm hoping it continues, me personally, but pretty much Dogecoin is the basis of what happened today with GameStop. GameStop just, Wall Street Bets just took that and went with it. Mad crazy. So, but that's pretty much what happened today. I want you guys to really understand it. I had a lot of people asking me, so did a video on it, and I'm most definitely sorry I haven't been uploading. I guess I can somewhat say this now. I haven't fully closed on it, but I was able to secure my first rental property. Big up. So I've been kind of dealing with that. That's why I haven't been making videos, but more on that once I get the keys in hand. But stay tuned. Big things happen for me in 2020. I have a couple goals. I achieved one, which was getting a rental property. My other goal that I've got is make 6 figures this year. And pretty much I want to get this channel monetized. So if you guys can help with that, appreciate it. So don't forget to hit the like button. Most definitely subscribe to this channel because I got big things coming. And it's your boy Exion, and I'm out.